Hello, good evening. Thank you so much for joining Mr. Full Profit. As you guys know, today is Sunday evening. It's about 9:40 p.m. Sorry for coming late. I was kind of tied up. I'm not a financial advisor, as you guys can know. Go ahead and like and subscribe. I just go ahead and give some good picks on a daily basis or sometime in a few days. It depends what's going on. All right, how busy I am. Like again, tonight, what we're going to be talking about, as you guys know, for the traders, Forex traders, the market is already open. We also have the futures open. We're going to look at what's going on as well. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the currency pairs. All right, again, I'm a 1% team here, so you guys are going to have to be patient with me. I'm going to go ahead and get closer, okay, to the screen so you guys can see what's going on here. All right, so this is the US dollars versus Swiss, okay? So let's go ahead and break down what's happening here with the Swiss and their currency pair. As you guys know, we spoke about it many times, okay? This is the 200 moving average. I'm not doing anything different than I usually do, okay? So this is my simple moving average, which is 45. We've been on downside, okay? So right now, let's try to analyze what's going on with the US dollars and Swiss. Right now, it's of course, it's kind of slow. The best pair right now to be trading is the Japanese yen. Okay, team? Beautiful. As you guys could, the Japanese yen, about 7 o'clock at night, they usually start moving about 8 o'clock. Let's just say about 7:30 to 8. All right? So I'm looking at the US dollars versus Japanese yen. Right now, tell me what's happening here, team. As you guys could see, it's been a downturn. Now it's above the 45 simple moving average, right? As you guys could see it. But guess what? There's a consolidation zone here, right, team? And guess what? What we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and take a down position. Everything here is showing a down position. Now, this is the 1 hour chart. This is our main juicy chart, all right? But you always have to pay attention to the daily chart. So now, if finally, oh, look at that pinball. It's beautiful. I love him. I love that pinball. So I will go ahead and take definitely a short position, of course, as you guys can see here. And see, that don't mean that it might not break above. But when you look at the US, this is the US dollar versus Japanese yen. Again, you go back to the 1 hour chart. I will take the position, and guess what? I'll be really careful once it bounced at the 200 moving average, all right? If you guys could see what it did before, it did a pullback and it bounced. And what happened? It got rejected, right? And it went up again. So US dollar versus Japanese yen is looking good. Let's see Australian versus Japanese. Okay, not bad. It's not fully clear, but the GDP, Great Britain pounds versus Japanese yen, of course, it's not too bad at all. So, but me personally, I like the Japanese yen more. Euro versus Japanese yen, the Swiss versus Japanese yen, that's perfect. Beautiful example. It broke below both moving average, team. So guess what? We will be going down on it, all right? This is the 1 hour chart. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Daily chart is clearly, as you know, the end of the MACD is forming. So I love that as well. So the Swiss Japanese is definitely a great one to attack. And look at the 1 hour chart. So that one, I would take that trade. But always remember, team, whenever you take that trade, right? Again, you don't have to do it. I'm gonna be taking that trade myself. You should be doing your own research. Take your own trade with your own risk, okay? So, but me personally, I'm gonna do a 3-to-1, right? What I mean 3-to-1, right? Ratio. I'm gonna take it here. Guess what? I'm gonna take my stop loss around like 170, 78.4. All right. Let me go ahead and draw it. If I'm taking that position, which I will soon. Okay. I'm just trying to educate you guys. Okay. This is the area that I'll put my stop loss around 170.63. All right, so we saying that the stock, not the stock, the currency pair is going down. All right, so I've been trading a lot of stock. I'm sorry. So tomorrow we're gonna be trading Tesla option calls or puts, whichever direction, under the 1 minute chart. You know, quick money. So volatile stock, we're gonna be doing that tomorrow morning. All right, I won't be posting it, but that's what I'm gonna be trading. Okay, so pretty much like we said, team, this is our main juice right now. As you guys can see, I broke down exactly the US dollar, Japanese yen. Swiss Japanese is the one that I really like because it already broke. Okay, look at this. It already broke below the moving average. What happened before, team? Let's see what happened here. When we got here, right, on 2023, okay, so it got bounced on the moving average. It went up, it's been going on an uptrend, but finally I have a feeling that it wants to finally break. And again, look at the my MACD moving average is under, so that's beautiful. As you can see, it's gonna repeat itself. All right, but now it might have a deep downfall. The next resistance that we got to pay attention, the next support, is about 169.83. And after that, the next one will be 168.84.5. And that's what I'm waiting for, 166.966. All right. So stay tuned at Mr. Full Profit. As you guys know, hey, without Mr. Full Profit, nothing could happen. All right. So again, share the video with your friends. What I'm trying to do is trying to educate you. I'm not trying to show you that Lamborghini or that. Look, if you can't get to the first step, you can't get nowhere. All right. So take baby step and learn how to trade. 1 hour chart is all you need. I know everybody said, Mr. Full Profit, you have all the screen. I use all my screen when I'm doing some deeply analysis, and I don't want to keep switching all my time frame. That's when I use all my screen. But right now, I'm just using my main screen so I can make it easy for everybody to understand. Now, Tesla, let's go ahead and take a quick look at Tesla, all right? So I'm sorry about that for my traders. I know I'm trading currency, and also I'm going to do a breakdown on all the coins, all right? So be patient with me here. I want to give, because some student just texted me and wanted to know some more information when it comes to Tesla, all right? So here, let me go ahead on my Webull platform. As a matter of fact, 7:57, 8 o'clock, Tesla is consolidating, okay? As you guys can see here, Tesla is not doing anything at all right now. It's just consolidating, all right? It's just many resistance up there. So we got to stay tuned with that for tomorrow, and we'll keep you guys up to date, all right? So this is all I have for tonight. A quick breakdown when it comes to currency pair. So thank you again for joining Mr. Full Profit, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, thank you. Have a great night.